Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. America State Department warn them citizens for not travel come Jamaica because COVID-19 are spreading in the country. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, are going to meet Friday for talk about if them are going to take the government latest wage offer. The court in a Cayman are going to send one woman to prison later this month for make one 12-year-old boy from Jamaica be her slave. Kingston College beat St. Andrew Technical High School 4-2 yesterday and are going to play against Jamaica College in the 2021-2022 ISA Digicel Manning Cup final. Now for the full tour of them. America State Department warn them citizens for not travel come Jamaica because COVID-19 are spreading in the country. On top of that, America tell them citizens to be extra careful when them come here because crime are going bad in some area. Monday, the department put Jamaica on them do not travel list. America say all heap of health risks out here and disease and COVID-19 are broke out we can mash up the hospital them and the healthcare system. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, are going to meet Friday for talk about if them are going to take the government latest wage offer. Winston Smith, or the president for the JTA, said the government make one new wage offer and them are going to talk about it. The JTA did say them not take the 4% what the government want give them. But Smith never say how much more the government a give them and him never say nothing about the government a turn down some of the things them what the teacher them a ask for. The court in a Cayman a go send one woman go prison later this month for make one 12-year-old boy from Jamaica be her slave. The woman, a 59-year-old Lurleen Smith Henry, and she tell the court Friday gone say she did wicked to the little boy. The woman did beg the little boy family for make she carry him go Cayman, where she would have send him go school and take good care of him. But she lock up the little boy in her house, beat him and treat him like one slave. On top of that, she never send him go school. He managed to run away and tell the police walk on. Reggae artist Jamiekan a go before the courts in the Netherlands today. Jamiekan get locked up from October after him stabbed Nicardo Papa Blake, who one promoter at the Dam Square City in Amsterdam. The Netherlands Public Prosecution Service in Amsterdam said the government lawyer are going to talk about which part the case there, cause them still are looking at things. Jamiekan get charged for try kill Smaddy and for stab Smaddy out of spite. The St. James police are looking at the killing of 3 men Monday night. These are the first triple murder since the start of the year. 3 men get shot in a Providence Heights community and nobody know them name yet. According to the police report, around 9 p.m. people hear gunshot a bus and call them. When them reach, them find 3 men shot up in a one car. The police said them all on pan the car were run as taxi in the carpet area and them don't know what caused the killing them yet. Now for sports. Kingston College KC beat St. Andrew Technical High School Stats 4-2 yesterday and are going to play against Jamaica College JC in the 2021-2022 ISA Digicel Manning Cup final. KC did have to come from behind 2 times for beat Stats. KC reached a final for the second time in a 3 year. Them did win in a 2018 after them beat St. George's College 3-2. JC did win in a 2019, but no competition never keep in a 2020 because of the coronavirus. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.